Morning guys, it's 1:51 in the morning and it's low tide, but right now it's nip tide. So low tide is only 0.4 meter and the high tide will be 0.9 meter. Got a push signal here, but it sounds like battle top. Just try to dig it. Yeah, it's crusty battle top rice. Another ferrous target here, or non-ferrous, I mean. This could be a coin. Yeah, I think this is a aluminum coin. Check later. I hope you can hear the sound. It sounds like a 5 peso coin. Steep. I love this machine. Yeah, alright. Year 2005, 5 peso coin. Other Excalibur 2 I used only more than 2 years, but already paid itself many times. So I need to maintain this one so that it will last longer. Oh man, look at that, guys. Woo, first jewelry, and it's shiny. Oh come on, can you see that, guys? I hope it's gold. It's an earring, guys. Really nice stones, nice 3 stones. I'll check later. I have to keep this first. Hear that, guys? It's a strong signal. I really love the sound of the Excalibur 2. It's there. I think there are 2 targets here. Another one there. Yeah, I got 2 coins, 2 5s. See that, guys? This is my problem if I head mount my GoPro, because I cannot see the screen because it's on my forehead. So I'm just estimating where it's focusing. Yeah, it's focusing down. Already got 2 coins from this hole, and there's still another. Yeah, still there, or still more than 1. There's still a signal. Oh, still in the hole. Yeah, 3 coins in 1 hole. We are the chest deep. Have a nice signal here. Oh, shallow. I love it. Whoop. Ah, surprise. 5 peso coin. Nice tone. Sounds like an aluminum or maybe a dog tag, stainless steel, like that. Sometimes Tetra Pak. Up. I feel something. Be careful, it could be a pair of sunglasses also, so don't want to break in case. Oh, see that? I'm correct. Yeah, I felt something in the scoop, so I move it a little bit. Nice. Oh, see, this is the part that I hit the scoop. So this sound is nice. Sounds like a foil, but sometimes sunglasses. A good signal here. This is the exact location where I found a 0.73 carat of diamond ring around 3 years ago. 13 days after I bought my Sea Hunter Mark II, I found 0.73 carat diamond ring, and I found 10 peso coin, year 2010. Oh, another earring, but it looks like copper. Maybe a copper plated with gold, but there's no more plating. It could be a bronze. Yeah, looks bronze, dark brown. Nice. The water is a bit cold, but I'm using a wetsuit, so that's okay. Oh, it's 10 peso. Nice find. By the way, guys, the central bank already released the 20 peso coin. It's been released this week, but it's only few coins. The official release will be on the year 2020, so that's good. But the problem is, it is made of steel, just plated with copper and nickel. So a problem, cannot detect it with the Excalibur in a discrimination mode. So if I want to get the new generation coins, all new generation coins are made of steel and plated, I have to set to all metal or pinpoint mode. By the way, guys, I'm scared because I heard something, a big splash. I'm thinking of a shark. I'll go back to the shallow first. Oh, there's a signal. This is what I'm scared of hunting at night, because sometimes there are I've seen the videos of the divers that they are taking videos of the shark. But I'm just in a shallow. I'm not diving anyway. The problem is if you're diving at night and the big fish are attracted with the torch, so it's dangerous. Safety first. So if you're not familiar with the beach, always be on the shallow area if you're hunting at night. Hey guys, I had a low tone. Look what I found. Guys, this looks 24K. So just keep this first. I'll check later. No way. Look at that, guys. GoPro Hero 3. Woo. Ah, it's fine. What a hunt. The waterproof casing, so for sure this is still working. The Hero 7 finds Hero 3. So I removed the GoPro in its case, and sadly the water already entered, so I don't think it will still work. I'll try to dry it up and I will check the SD card so that it will be easy to find the owner. So this one is silver. There's a mark S925 and then just plated with gold. So I tested it with 14K, disappear. This one I tested with 22K, but still there, so it could be 22 or 24K. Nice little earring. I'll try to restore this. I have this rust converter. I'll try to soak it first. I'll just leave it there for